Kajing alang jong ka Kynhun Myntri ha kasingi balang kalarai pan kalabiang ka State Anthem jong ka Meghalaya da ka kynthup penrung lang ya ka Ktien Pnar ha ki Ktien jingrai ha ba penbana ya ka rai Myntri rang ba ka jala konrat ke sangma ulaong ba ya ka State Anthem kin supply padba ha ka Meghalaya Games ka banlong Hawaii je West Jante Hills bat pentem artat ha ka tay ka sngi kat kum ka jingya thu jong u ya ka rai ka Kynhun Myntri kala shim hadin ba kala don ka jing ai jingmut na ki nong mi khman na rilum jaintia bat kham tam e no sambot Myntri rang ba ka jala ba snyau bhalang dhar kumju na kalyang ki padba nong shong shnong.
We had 9 agendas today in the cabinet, and I would like to start. The first agenda today was the amendment to the state anthem. I'm happy to announce and inform that based on some of the suggestions that have come to us from our representatives from Jante Hills, especially our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Snyaw Balangthar, and the other representatives and the cabinet ministers and the public at large. The cabinet today has decided to amend the Meghalaya State Anthem, and we are happy to include few lines in Pnar in the state anthem. So this will be unveiled in the state Meghalaya Games, which will be held in Vaijer in Jante Hills, and we'll be playing it on that particular day. So that was the first decision that was taken by the cabinet today.